Right, in this video what we're going to do, we're going to make the sprite go left and right and also jump. Okay, so let's start. So the first thing we're going to do, okay, we're going to change the name of the project so we know what it is. Okay, so let's just call it movement. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, of course we want to move left and right and we want it to jump. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a ground or a floor, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so we're just going to make a ground and we're going to just draw a simple black rectangle to represent the floor. Okay, so that's going to be our floor. Okay, that's the ground. So if I just put it down, okay, so now we have the cat. We're going to delete one of the cat. There's two of them there, and then also we're going to reduce the size of the cat. So because at the moment it's quite big, we're going to make it smaller. Okay, so now, okay, that's good. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to start code it. The first thing we want to do, we want to make it go left. So that we're going to go on events and we're going to click when flag clicked. Okay, we're going to do forever and we're going to bring the if. Okay, so the block we need is this one. Okay, is okay, so we're going to change it to left arrow because we want it to move left. Now what we're going to do, okay, so we only have one costume. We want to change, we can duplicate this and we can make it face the other way. Okay, face it left. So let's change this to left and change this one to right. Okay, let's fix this a little bit. Okay, that's okay. Now, okay, so we have a costume that faces left and right. So we got two. So we're going to do, okay, we're going to change X by -10 and change costume to left. Okay, so this is how you make the sprite go left. So of course we don't want it to just go left, but we want to go right as well. So click make it duplicate and then change this to right arrow and change this to 10. Okay, so now you can see your sprite going, your cat going left and right. Okay, so at the moment it's not on the floor, so you can move the floor up. Okay, but of course that's not what you really want to do. Okay, so better you move your cat down on the floor. Okay, just drag the sprite down. Okay, so now you can see it's moving left and right. So you move left and right, but what we want to do, we want to obviously make it jump as well. Okay, right, so there error message there. Right, okay, so before we should make it jump, okay, we need to make the gravity. Okay, so we're going to do when, okay, green flag is clicked, we're going to get forever. Okay, and then we're going to get a if statement. Okay, if touching color, okay, you can click on this and you click on the eyedropper and choose the color. We want black, obviously. Okay, and we don't want to say if touching color, we want to say if it's not touching color. So if it's not touching the color black, then change the Y position by -10. Okay, change the Y position by -10. Okay, this will make it go down if it's not touching black. Okay, so the black is the floor in our case. Okay, let's just stack it from middle. Okay, so now you can see it's walking around. Okay, so now, but it's still grounded to the floor, but we wanted to make it jump now. So now we're going to make it to jump. So when the green flag is clicked, forever if, okay, and this time we're going to do if touching color black. So you're going to, okay, so if the cat is touching the black, okay, so or when it's touching the black, we want to get the green section, we get the AND block. We can put the touching black here, and you can also put key. Okay, we can change it to up arrow. Okay, if the cat is touching the black, and the button up is pressed, repeat 10 times, okay, to make it fluid movement. Okay, change Y by 15. Okay, so now there you have it. So you can see, okay, your cat, okay, jumping up and down and running around. Okay, so you can go left and right. You can make the cat jack. You can change the values in the boxes to, okay, if you want it to be a bigger jump, you can change the values to actually make it bigger. Okay, or if you want to do stronger gravity, you can change that as well too.